Students, we have completed our first chapter, that is the appreciate the applications of IT. So we already computed that theory part, and this is your practical parts. So where the IT application use and how it is useful for our government, public and private sector. So we already learned this. Now the next chapter is use keyboard and mouse for the data entry. This is your unit second, and in this first chapter is use keyboard and mouse for data entry. So this chapter we will cover the theory, keyboard skill, types of keyboard on keys of keyboard, numeric keypad, home keys, guided keys, typing and deleting text, typing er ergonomics, positioning of fingers on the keyboard, allocations of keys to fingers on 4 different rows, pointing device mouse operations. And these are our practicals. So now we going to start our second unit, that is use keyboard and mouse for data entry. So this is our second unit. So in this chapter we learn the different typing skill. So in order to enhance operation skill in the use of computer, knowledge of efficient and effective keyboarding skill and typing ergonomics has become inventable today. So these all are the very important factors, because with these knowledge you can easily type any text with help of keyboard into the computer. And proper sitting, proper sitting, that is also important for our health and proper computer uses. So with consistent and sincere effort and controlled environment, we can master keyboarding skill and acquire high speed. So if you have a good knowledge of keyboard, so then you can very efficiently and accurately type any text with high speed. Keying data into the computer quickly and accurately thus become easy. There are various methods of typewriting. In this unit, we will study about the various types of keys, typing ergonomics and positioning of fingers on the keyboard. According to touch method of typewriting and use of typing software for learning keyboard skill. So we know the typing software and what is the touch method, so that all are comes under this chapter. So first we know the keyboard. What is the keyboard? So keyboard is the most common text based input device. So keyboard is what? That is a input device. Computer keyboard are similar to electronic typewriter keyboard with additional keys. So that is what the keyboard is, a electronic typewriter. A keyboard generally has more than 100 keys. So there are minimum 100 and more than 100 keys are available. Each key of keyboard corresponds to single symbols. So you also see the keyboard, and there a key is represent a single symbols. Some symbols require pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or sequence. It allow entering alphabets, digits and symbols into the computer. So with help of the keyboard, you can enter different types of alphabet. Also, you can enter digits and different symbols into the computer. Simultaneously, key press can produce action or computer commands. So different commands are also executed with the help of the simultaneously keys. Means more than one key when you uh, use so that execute some commands. The touch methods of typewriting is a method of typing without using the sense of sights to find the keys. So what is the touch method? So the touch method without seeing the keys means a professional typewriter, if you see, so they are not seeing into the keyboard. They are directly able to type our keys, just proper positioning our finger into the keyboard. So such type of typing process is called touch keyboard, and only the finger which is need to strike a key. So that is the process of touch key. A touch typist know the location on the keyboard through muscles memory. Touch typing involves placing the 8 fingers in a horizontal row along the middle of the keyboard. Touch typing can be done with two hands or by using a single hands also. So that is a touch typing. So you also note down what is the keyboard and what is the touch typing. So for touch typing, you note down that complete definition for the touch typing. Clear? So what is the touch typing? I think you all understood. So you also note down that definition. First you note down what is the keyboard and what is the touch typing. Now the typing speed generally improve with the practice. You have to do the practice for the typing. The typing speed can be increased gradually and speed of 60 WPM word per minute. So that speed you can get with help of the typing or higher can be achieved. The rate of speed increase varies between the individual. Many website and software produce for rapid typing tutor, that is a software which is used for the typing purpose. You have more are available to learn touch typing and many of these are free. There are many such software available which are free of cost and are customized to learn typing efficiently and effectively. Clear? Now we know more about the keys.